Tablets aren't just for surfing the web and streaming media. For many artists and graphic designers, they are also perfect drawing surfaces. There are many products available to choose drawing tablets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best drawing tablets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Drawing Tablet XP Pen Starg 640 Digital Graphic Tablet. The XP Pen drawing tablet is simple to use and affordable. The compact, portable art tablet is 2 mm thick and designed for drawing, painting, sketching, and even gaming. It's also compatible with popular apps and programs like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. The tablet is meant to work seamlessly with any Chromebook, and it comes with a battery-free stylus. With 80-192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it gives you the accuracy, fluidity, and control you need to achieve your creative aspirations. Because it boots up and starts working immediately, you can use it for work, art, and games without loading time. The USB cable lets you hook up to any PC or laptop in your workspace, and the 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support adds more peace of mind to the purchase. Number 2. Zopox Graphics Drawing Tablet. Zopox's Graphics Drawing Tablet is the best drawing tablet overall for beginner artists. With a large 10 by 6 inch screen and 8A192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it's ideal for honing your artistic skills or for use as a tool in a beginner's art class. The pen doesn't require a battery, and the tablet comes built with 12 hotkeys. It's also compatible with any Android PC or Mac device, so you can use it with any computer you already use for your classes or your hobbies. As soon as you connect the tablet to your computer, you can quickly install drivers and tutorial software to learn the ropes. Ultimately, it's a great drawing tablet if you are still discovering your style and figuring out how to use a drawing tablet to its maximum potential. Number 3. XP Pen Deco LW Wireless Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Deco LW Wireless Drawing Tablet comes with a 10 by 6 inch screen and Bluetooth connectivity, making it the best drawing tablet in terms of overall compatibility with all the devices in your working area, including Linux devices, Macs, Android phones, and Windows 11 PCs. As if that weren't enough, the tablet is available in 4 different colors and comes with efficient, flexible drawing software. It's all thanks to the X3 Smart Chip technology and the stylus, as well as 80-192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The 60-degree tilt function allows you to create subtle, soft lines and artistic masterpieces. Shortcut keys and onboard graphic drivers enable the tablet to work with many different software programs like Photoshop, Painter, and Illustrator for a smooth workflow. Choose this if you want a drawing tablet that will work with your hardware and software of choice. Number 4. LCD Writing Tablet Doodle Board. What if your kids are a little older? The Bukaboo LCD Writing Tablet is the perfect pick. It's a drawing tablet and a doodle board, featuring an attached pen that won't easily be lost. This drawing tablet for kids is available in several different colors and in 2 packs, which is handy if you want to purchase a drawing tablet for multiple kids at the same time. It doesn't emit blue light, so your child's eyes won't be strained by hours of use. Like the other kids' tablets, you can lock the drawings for showing to family members. It's also highly durable, made of premium ABS material with rounded corners that provide better shock resistance. Ultimately, it's one of the best drawing tablets for kids. Number 5. XP Pen Artist 1211 6-inch FHD Drawing Monitor Pen Display Graphic Monitor. College students also need reliable and powerful tools, which is where the XP Pen Artist 12 comes in. This drawing monitor and tablet has a multifunction pen holder and a glove, and the pen can register up to 80-192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's compatible with Mac OS and Windows devices and systems. The 11.6-inch HD IPS display is perfect for practicing drawings or completing art class assignments. The pre-installed anti-reflective screen protector is another plus, and the slim touch bar can be customized and programmed to scroll up and down or zoom in and out. This tablet comes with 6 customizable shortcut keys, a battery-free stylus and digital eraser, and 8 replacement pen nibs. Consider this student-friendly tablet if you are taking an art class and want a device that lets you refine your growing creative skill. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.